Hello guys, my name is Samarth. Welcome to Learn with Samarth. This is my first video and in this video I am going to tell you that what is Linux and how you can install it in your computer by not deleting your old software. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
What is Linux? Answer. Linux is an open source operating system. An operating system is the software that directly manages the system's hardware and resources like CPU, memory, and storage. The OS sits between the application and hardware and makes the connection between all of your software and the physical resources that do the work. Now we will come on the process that how to install Linux in our computer by not deleting the old software. So for that, the step one is install Oracle VirtualBox and Ubuntu software. And when you will go on the given link which I have provided you in the description, so you have to choose your system. Like I have Windows, so I will click on the Windows, or if I have Mac OS, so I will click on the Mac OS version. After this, when you will go on the Ubuntu link, so you have to only download the LT.
Now we will go on the step 2. The step 2 is open VirtualBox and click on the new icon and then enter any name for the file and then enter the name of the Ubuntu folder. And next what you have to do is choose the Linux type from the drop down menu and then you have to click on enter. After this box, a box will come in which it will be asking you about how much space you want to give it. So I suggest you that you can give 1024 MB, which means 1 GB. So you can give it on your own also. And after this you only have to click enter for upcoming boxes and then a file will be generated. Okay, now we will come on to step 3. In the step 3 what you have to do is choose the file which has been generated by you, and after choosing it you have to click on the settings icon and then go to the journal and then click on the bidirectional option from the drop down menu which is in front of shared clipboard and drag drop. Next, you have to choose storage and then click on the CD icon which is coming after attributes and then click on add and then choose the Ubuntu software file which you have downloaded and then click on OK and then click on start. So now this will start. Okay guys, now step 3 is also over. Now we are going to start with this last step, which is step 4. So in this step 4 what we have to do is we have to click on the start button and then a new window will open in front of us, and in that window the computer is asking about the language. So I will choose the English language and then I will click on the install Ubuntu. So I have clicked on the install Ubuntu, and in the next box it is asking about the keyboard layout. So I am choosing the English keyboard layout and then I will click on the continue button. Okay, and after it will show us updates, so we don't have to change anything in that, and click on the continue button. After this it will show us the installation type. Okay, this is the main. It is showing us the installation type. In this it is written that it will erase all data from your computer, so you don't have to worry about it because it will not erase any data from your computer. So okay, so you only have to click on the continue button. So after clicking on the continue button it will ask about the location. So I will choose my location and then I will click on the continue button, and then in the last it will ask about us to fill our details. So I will fill my details, and then our Ubuntu software is ready to use. Okay.